Hello, Jags! In today's show, we'll be showing you how to make some foods for the holidays. The holidays are all about being festive and being thankful for what you have. In today's show, we'll be showing you how to make mashed potatoes, some gravy to go with that, a fruit salad, and pigs in a blanket. For the first recipe we have gravy. Fun fact, gravy was created in the United Kingdom in the 1800s. For the first segment, we'll be watching it by me. I'm going to show you how to make gravy. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Add 1 small minced onion and cook until softened and lightly brown. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and cook to an additional 30 seconds. Whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and pepper until no lumps remain. Cook. Slowly add 2 cups of broth to the pan, whisking continuously. Add some seasoning of your choice and whisk to incorporate. Let's make some mashed potatoes to go with that gravy. Here's AvaJ showing us how to make some. That looks fantastic. Next, we have Jacob with fruit salad.
Today, I'll be teaching you how to make fruit salad. You will need all the ingredients on the screen and a cutting board, a knife, and a measuring cup. Once you have all your ingredients cut and cored and diced, mix all your ingredients besides the syrup and lime juice. Then mix your lime juice and syrup together in a separate bowl. Then pour it over the rest of your ingredients and stir lightly. And that's how to make this simple yet delicious dessert. Enjoy!
So tasty. For the last dish of the day, we have pigs in a blanket. Fun fact, the first record of pigs in the blanket was in the 1950s. Let's go to Ethan. Wow, those all look good. That's all for today's Munchie Monday. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy the holidays.